Roughly this time last year, my family and I, we were in need of a roof cleaning. And so the first thing I did is I contacted my neighbor who had recently put on a brand new roof, a metal roof. And I said, Chris, what's the name of the company that took care of your roof? And he says, Erik, Guardian Roofing. And I said, well, thank you very much, Chris. And so within 10 minutes, I called Guardian and I set up an appointment for them to come out and look at our roof. And so basically Evan, who was the bid contractor the first person on the job, said, Erik, I'll do some looking at your roof, and I'll go on the roof and take some video for you and all these things. And so they brought the drone out and they basically said that your roof is in need of replacement. I said, great, let's do it. Within 2 months, we had a brand new roof being installed on the house by the crew at Guardian. And it was fantastic, 100% perfect job. And I would strongly recommend Guardian Roofing to anybody.